Gohan, you find him?
No, he's not here. I'm sorry, Mr. Piccolo.
Looks like someone wants to die.
Try this!
Special beam cannon! Special beam cannon! I can't move! Damn it! Special beam cannon! Damn it! I can't move! Special beam! Damn it!
Try this!
I can't move! Special beam cannon! Damn it! Damn it!
Try this!
Damn it! beam cannon!
Whoa!
Special beam cannon! Damn it! I can't move!
Take this!
Special beam cannon! I can't move! Special beam cannon! Special beam cannon!
Vegeta, have you spotted him yet?
He's faster than I thought. Damn him!
Damn. I hate to say it, but we might have lost him.
No calling your comrades now. Your energy will be all mine.
Go on! Androids, get over here!
Mr. Piccolo! Over there!
You're as good as dead. How did they find me?
Thanks, Gohan.
Krillin, give Piccolo a Senzu Bean!
Okay.
Let me at him.
And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? Taking your energy. I will eliminate you! Impossible! This can't be Piccolo's power! Just as I calculated!
Don't take this lightly.
Eliminate! I will eliminate! I will eliminate! I will eliminate you! You've made a terrible error in trying to fight me alone. Weakling like you hope to accomplish. I will eliminate you! Your energy is mine!
Yeah.
I will eliminate
Special beam cannon!
I will eliminate you!
Damn it!
I will eliminate
Special beam cannon!
No! I will not be done in by the likes of Piccolo! Weakling like you hope to accomplish. I will eliminate you!
Special gun! Special beam cannon!
Your energy is mine! I will eliminate you!
Damn it!
I will eliminate
Special beam cannon! I can't
you! I
move!
will eliminate you! This is inconceivable! And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? I will eliminate
Special beam cannon!
Damn it! Your energy is mine!
What's wrong? Another miscalculation?
It's all over! Damn it! Your energy is mine! I will eliminate you!
Damn it!
And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? Be taking your energy. I will eliminate you. I will eliminate
Damn it! I can't
I will eliminate you. Just as I calculated.
Don't take this life.
I will eliminate you. I will eliminate you. This can't be Piccolo's power! It's all... It's all over! I will eliminate... I will eliminate you! You've made a terrible error trying to fight me alone.
Yeah.
And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? I will eliminate you. Your energy is mine. I will eliminate
Special beam cannon! Special beam!
I will not be done in by the likes of Piccolo! I will eliminate you!
Damn it! I can't move!
It's all... And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? I will eliminate you!
Special beam! Special beam cannon!
I will eliminate you! And what does a weakling like you hope to accomplish? I will eliminate you!
Damn it!
I will eliminate you! I will eliminate you! Your energy is mine! I drained you of your energy! You should have nothing left!
What you drained was only the tip of the iceberg.
I will eliminate you! eliminate! I will eliminate you!
Wait, these aren't the androids I know. What's going on? If it's not them, who is everyone fighting?
I refuse to believe that even Piccolo could have increased his power this much! I have made a grave miscalculation. I have no choice but to return to my lab.
Everybody's here, so it looks like we all avoided getting wiped out. Which must mean we've changed the future.
Hey guys!
Now, none of you have any hope of winning! Androids 17 and 18 will make short work of the lot of you!
What?
Mother!
Thank you.
Trunks? Trunks? Did he just say Trunks? That's my son's name. Wait, he's from the future. That means...
Are you all right?
Hey, it's you from before. So you came back, huh?
Yeah, I thought I would come and offer my support. But who were you fighting?
Where is that wrinkly robot? He used the smoke to make his getaway. Damn it!
Why didn't you try and save your wife and child just now?
Foolishness. I have no interest in things like that.
I saw what looked like a badly damaged android on my way here. It looks like the androids you fought are different from the ones I've been fighting in my time.
Then what the hell are we fighting?
That's not that big of a deal, right? I mean, so history's a little different now.
Wait, that creepy geezer was an android?
Huh? Yeah.
That might have been the actual Dr. Gero. I've seen a photo of him in one of my books. He probably modified himself to extend his life.
No way. You mean my coming here years ago changed history this much?
He mentioned androids 17 and 18. Those were the two you were talking about, right? Tell us, what do they look like?
Right. Android 17 is a young man with long black hair and a scarf around his neck. Android 18 is a young woman, and her outfit is more or less similar to mine.
A female type? Oh, come on.
Bulma, do you know where Dr. Gero's laboratory is? He's probably there right now.
If I had to guess, it's likely in the mountains up north. I heard that he built it in a cave around there to do his experiments. To think he was a lackey for the Red Ribbon Army. That's crazy.
That settles the matter then. We'll find the location of Dr. Gero's lab and destroy it well before he's able to activate androids 17 and 18. I'm above such cowardly tactics. Let him activate them. I'll turn them into scrap with my bare hands.
No! We have to destroy his lab before he activates the other androids! And if we can't, then we have to avoid fighting until Goku is fully recovered.
We have no need for Kakarot. You're forgetting that I'm a Super Saiyan now, too. And I'm no ordinary Saiyan.
I'm the prince, which means I'm leagues above Kakarot in terms of power. Don't stand in my way.
Vegeta may actually have what it takes to get rid of the androids. As a Super Saiyan, it might just work.
I can transform into a Super Saiyan too. Yet, I was no match for them. I'm going to. He's difficult to deal with, but I'm not about to watch my father die again.
Father? Did he say father? What did he mean?
Guess there's no point in keeping it a secret. Not anymore. Kid's name is Trunks. Vegeta is his father. You're his mother. In other words, he's your son. Trunks is the grown-up version of the baby you're holding in your arms right now.
What? Really?
Well, that explains it. That's why he was able to go Super Saiyan.
I think it's probably best we destroy the androids before they've been activated. You guys come with me. We're going to look for Dr. Giroux's lab.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, Bulma. This is important. Could you let my dad know what's going on? And tell him to come help when he feels better?
Well, I would, but how am I supposed to do that? Have you seen my plane?
Gohan, head back and take her with you. Understand? We're more than strong enough to destroy the androids.
Okay, be careful.
All right, let's go. We have to get there before Vegeta does.
Right.
Hurry! We've got to find that lab before the androids are activated.